Term 2 Max Unit 1 Numbers. Term 2 Max Unit 1 Numbers. Welcome friends, today we are going to see about multiplication. Multiplication is adding the same number to a specified number of times. Here is an example. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. Here we add 4 3 times and the answer is 12. This can be written as 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Multiplication is quicker way to add the number occurring repeatedly. Symbol of multiplication. We use the symbol X to represent multiplication. In the first circle, you can see 4 coconut trees. 4 trees in 5 groups is 20. This can be written as 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Number of trees in each group is 4. Number of groups 5. Total number of trees is 20. 4 is multiplicand and 5 is multiplier and 20 is product. So you can call these multiplication of a number with other number can be done in the following ways. First one is dot multiplication and second one is repeated addition and third one is regrouping and fourth one is standard multiplication algorithm and fifth one is lattice multiplication. First one, dot multiplication. Complete the following table. Stars and number of horizontal rows and number of vertical columns and total number of stars. Here is an example. We can see in horizontal rows is 2 and vertical columns is 4. So total number of stars is 2 into 4 is equal to 8. And next example is number of horizontal is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. Number of horizontal rows is 4 and number of vertical columns is 3. So we can write it as 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Here's an next example. Horizontal rows is 3 and number of vertical columns is 5. So 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Next example is number of horizontal rows is 3 and number of vertical columns is 2. Total number of stars is 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Repeated addition. Let us recall the repeated addition we have learnt in lower classes. Find the total number of flowers. They are, first group is 3 flowers and second group is 3 flowers and third group is 3 flowers. So we can write it in the numbers. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. Otherwise, 3 groups of 3 flowers make 9. Or we can write as in multiplication 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Find the total number of leaves. And first group is 4 and the second group is 4 and third group is 4 and 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 16. Otherwise, we can write it also in multiplication. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. How many apples are there in 4 plates? In one plate is 5 and the other plate is also 5 and all the plates is also 5. So, they are 4 plates each as 5 apples. Total number of apples is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 20. Otherwise, we can write it also in the multiplication like 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Construction of multiplication tables of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10. Okay. Each box has 2 balls. Repeated addition facts 2. Multiplication facts 2. Okay. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. And in the next one is 4. 2 plus 4. Multiplying by 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. 2 leaves and 4 groups is 8. This can be written as 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Here 2 is multiplicand and 4 is multiplier and 8 is product. Similarly, multiplication table 3 and multiplication table 4. Okay, these are the examples. They are toys. Okay, friends. If there are 4 toys in a box, how many toys will be there in 5 box? 4 into 5 is equal to 20. So the answer is 20. Multiplication by regrouping. This method can be used by multiplying a 2-digit number. Consider the following multiplication. 53 into 7. 53 can be regrouped into 5 tens and 3 ones. Hence, 53 into 7 can be written as 50 plus 3 into 7. So, 50 into 7 separately and 3 into 7 separately. So, you can get the answer like 350 plus 21. So, we have to add the two numbers together and the answer is 371. Multiplication using standard algorithm. Multiply using multiplication table. For example, 14 into 2. Step 1. Multiply once. Here is the tabulation you can see in the screen. 14 multiply by 2. First, you have to multiply the ones. Is 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So, you can write 8 in the ones, and then you can multiply tens. Here we have to multiply crossly. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. So 28 the answer is. Okay friends. Okay, you can see in the screen, product is equal to 14 into 2 is equal to 28. Okay, here is another example also. Step 1. First you first multiply ones. Okay friends. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So here in the addition also you can put the carryover. Like in this also you should put the carryover. 3 into 4 is equal to 12, and then you should multiply tens. Okay friends. The answer is 8. You have to add the 1 plus 8. Then the answer is 92. Product is equal to 23 into 4 is equal to 92. Okay. Now let us see the lattice algorithm. Example 48 into 36. Step 1. Put a box in. You can divide it 4 boxes. Step 2. You should put lines like this. You can see in the screen. And step 3. You write 48 in the top and 36 in the side. Multiply 8 into 3 is equal to 24. 2 in the upper and 4 in the lower. Similarly, 8 into 6 is 48. 4 in the upper and 8 in the lower. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So, you should put the 1 in the top and 2 in the lower place. And 4 into 6 is equal to 24. Write 2 in the up and 4 in the lower place. Add the diagonal 8 in that place, and 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. So put the carryover in the 2 place. Next 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. So add the 6 plus 1 is 7. Next put the 1 as equal. Now join the answer is 1728. This is called lattice algorithm. Let us see the another example. Please like my video and subscribe our channel. Thank you friends.